like trying to make sense of people, I guess. Tapos, si Meg kasi is bata pa lang siya, alcoholic na siya. And then, ayun, very free, parang very open. It's an opposites attract kind of love story. And then, napanood ko din kasi yung ginawa ni Direk na yung movie ni Barbie and David. And I found it not only nakakakilig and entertaining, but also just visually beautiful. And sabi ko, gusto ko maging part ng ganyang klaseng movie. And syempre, I wanted to work with JC. So, ayun, those were the things na kung bakit gusto kong gawin yung movie. And I feel like yung mga love stories, there are so many different kinds of love stories kasi. And I felt like this one needed to be told kasi parang this is how I view love also na lahat tayo may mga flaws, may pinagdadaanan tayong sariling journey with our mental health and with yung mga personal natin na trauma sa buhay. And it's when you find a partner who can understand that about you and not expect perfection, parang ayun, parang kaya I felt na this is a love story that needs to be watched and told.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ate Mildred. Kuya Jem, parang halos meron dun sa
Oo nga eh. Actually,